Hi guys, Marcella and Irani here from Visit Aruba. Today we are continuing our virtual happy hour series, so no matter where you are, you're able to enjoy that happy Aruba feeling. And what better way to feel Aruba from afar than by delighting in a cocktail favorite among our island's visitors. Today's cocktail is a frozen slippery monkey, so let's get started. All you need to do is review our recipe in the description, make sure you have all of the necessary ingredients on hand, and follow along. Feel free to make this cocktail your own and switch up some of the ingredients to your liking. We suggest using a fresh banana and Baileys to make it extra delicious. So refreshing. We hope you enjoyed as much as we do. Until next time, cheers!